7:30. We're late. David, wake up. We overslept.
What time is it?
7:30? Our flight is at 10.
10? Oh no!
Okay. Let's move. Let's move. Anna, Peter, wake up. Time to go.
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 minutes today.
We're going to Costa Rica.
Costa Rica?
Jungle and monkeys.
Yes, but only if we catch the plane.
I'm up! Where's my yellow jacket?
In your drawer. And Peter, find your shoes, please.
I can't find them.
Here, little explorer. Your shoes are under your pillow again.
Passports, tickets, chargers, snacks.
Where are the snacks?
In the blue bag. And coffee for us, of course.
No trip without coffee.
Mom, I packed my swimsuit and my favorite book.
Good job, sweetie. Peter, what about you?
I packed my toy car and my hat. Only that.
What about clothes?
Oh, right, clothes too.
Maybe he's planning to live on the beach.
Not funny, David. We still have to call the taxi.
Already did. It'll be here in 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh no, I haven't brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine.
Nice try, honey. But still comb time. Okay. Checklist. Passports check. Tickets check. Snacks check. Chargers double check. Perfect. We're ready.
Wait, my monkey toy again. Where did you put it?
On the couch.
Got it.
Let's go before we miss the flight.
Yay!
Good morning. Going to the airport.
Yes, please. Terminal 3.
I'm so excited. I've never been on a plane before.
Really?
Really?
Huh?
This will be your first flight? Do planes have bathrooms?
Yes, small ones, like toy bathrooms.
Cool. I want to try it.
Not now, Peter. Wait until we're in the sky. Traffic, please move. Cars, please move.
Relax. Relax. We have time. The airport isn't far.
Mom, what will we see in Costa Rica?
Beaches, volcanoes, jungles, and lots of animals.
I want to see a sloth.
And I want to see a quiet beach with no phones ringing.
You know phone.
Impossible. We must eat ice cream there.
Deal! Ice cream every day! Yay!
You're gonna love it there. Costa Rica is amazing.
So green and full of life.
You've been there?
Yes.
Twice. Twice.
The rainforest is beautiful.
Just don't forget mosquito spray.
Oh no, David! Did you pack the spray?
Maybe. Maybe I'll buy one at the airport.
Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, but no, no, Ken. Maybe for the passports, please.
Don't worry. Got them right here.
Mom, look! Airplanes! I can see them.
Finally, we made it.
Here we are, Terminal 3.
Thank you. Have a great trip, folks. Okay, team. Adventure awaits. Okay, explorers. Let's find our gate. And maybe a snack, and maybe a souvenir.
And maybe we'll actually make it on time.
Let's go before we have another maybe.
Costa Rica, here we come!
Wow, look at all these people.
Yeah, the airport's always busy in the morning.
It feels like a big mall. I see airplanes.
Real ones. Yes, sweetie. That's where we're going soon. But first, check-in time. Let's find the airline counter.
There. Over there.
Gate B. Line for Costa Rica.
Mom, what does check-in mean?
It means we give our passports and tickets to the airline, and they give us our boarding passes, and then we go to the airplane.
Almost. After check-in, we go through security.
What's security? Huh?
Yeah. People check your bags to make sure there's nothing dangerous, like toy swords.
Exactly. So, no toy swords today.
Okay. But I have a toy car.
That's fine. Cars are safe. Good morning. Where are you flying today? Good morning. We're flying to San Jose, Costa Rica. Great. May I have your passports, please? Here you go. 4 passports. Thank you. Any checked luggage?
Yes! These 2 big suitcases.
All right. Please place them on the scale. This one might be over the limit. Let's see. 24 kilogram. That's fine.
That's fine. Good. I thought it was heavier.
And here are your boarding passes. Gate 22. Boarding starts at 9:30. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mom.
What's a boarding pass? What's a boarding pass? It's a small card that shows your seat and gate number. Without it, you can't get on the plane.
Oh. Like a ticket to the sky.
Exactly.
Mine says window seat. What's that?
What's that? It means you can sit by the window and see the clouds.
Yes. I want to see the clouds.
Oh no! Look at this line.
Don't worry. It moves fast.
For security, they check everything carefully. Even shoes? Even shoes. Safety first.
Please remove any metal items. Watches, belts, coins.
Oh, right. My earrings too.
No, that's fine.
Look, I'm flying already.
Save that energy for the real flight, buddy. Finally, we can sit down.
Coffee time.
Huh? Definitely. I'll get coffee. Kids, what do you want?
I want the donut. And a juice, please. A sandwich, please. Fries.
French fries.
One sandwich and one fries. Coming up.
Here we go. Breakfast number 2.
Thank you, Mom.
Careful. Don't spill them on your shirt.
Mom, what's Costa Rica like?
It's warm, green, and full of nature. You'll see rainforests, beaches, and animals everywhere.
Do they have monkeys there?
Yes, lots of monkeys and colorful birds, too.
Can we swim every day?
Every single day, if you want. I just hope we didn't forget anything important.
Wait,
Wait, did we pack the sunscreen? I think I left it on the kitchen counter.
Don't worry, we'll buy some after we land.
You always say that?
And it always works out, doesn't it?
Maybe you're lucky.
You know that Daddy is always lucky. That's because I married your mom.
Oh, stop it! Attention passengers flying to San Jose, Costa Rica. Boarding will begin at gate 22 in 10 minutes. We're going to Costa Rica! Let's run! Wait, no running!
we'll get there on time.
Okay, family. Passports and boarding passes ready.
Check. Check. Check.
All right, Team Costa Rica, let's fly!
Good morning. Welcome aboard. Morning.
Good morning.
Welcome aboard. Thank you. Okay, everyone, seatbelts on.
Ready for takeoff. I can see the wing from here. Me too. It's so big.
Good morning, everyone. Please keep your seatbelts fastened as we prepare for takeoff.
Whoa, we're going fast. Hold on, sweetie. We're lifting off.
Look, the grounder's getting smaller.
And there we go, up in the clouds.
He's more curious than scared. True. And Anna's too busy watching that cartoon to notice the bumps.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
Orange juice for the kids. Coffee for us. Maybe a small pack of cookies, too.
Thank you. Thank you.
These cookies are so tiny. I like airplane snacks.
Everything's small up here, but fun, right? Especially when you don't have to cook.
What was that?
Just a little turbulence, honey.
Like driving on a bumpy road.
Oh, then we're okay.
It feels like a roller coaster.
Exactly.
Now, can I look out the window again?
Sure. Look, the clouds look like cotton candy.
I want to eat one.
Save that for Costa Rica, buddy. Real candy there. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be landing shortly in San Jose. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Hear that? We're almost there. Finally! I can't wait to see the monkeys.
First, let's see if all our luggage arrives.
We did it!
We didn't crash.
That's not something you say out loud, Peter. But yes, we did it. We did it. There are so many people waiting. Look, that man has a sign with letters. Let's see.
Davis family. That's not us.
Wait, what is that one? Emmy Watson. Oh, no. Close.
Are you the Emmy Watson family?
Almost. It's Emma, not Emmy. Yes.
Yeah.
But yes, that's us.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. My mistake.
Welcome to Costa Rica.
He wrote your name wrong, Mom.
That's okay, sweetheart. Now we have a funny story to tell.
At least he found us.
Yes.
Please follow me. The car is outside.
Feel that air. It's so warm and soft.
It smells like flowers. I hear birds. Are those parrots?
Maybe.
We'll find out soon. Welcome to Costa Rica, my friends. Hotel Blue Horizon.
Right. That's right.
Thank you. Gotcha.
I can't wait to swim and see the rainforest.
One adventure at a time, you two.
Agreed. After all that flying, I just want a bed.
You and me both.
We made it.
We made it. We sure did. Costa Rica, our new adventure.
And that's the first day of our family's big adventure.
What happens next?
Stay with us on this journey and join our little adventures full of fun, laughter, and maybe a few oops moments along the way. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next part of our Costa Rica adventure.